Bronco passing us on the outside. We got 4 exits to go, and then we there.
How many?
4. And then we exit, and then we got an hour and 20 minutes to go.
Yeah, I don't know. He's camera shy or something, but we're rolling. We're past. Where we at?
We on the highway.
Well, yeah, we're rolling.
So you can look. We in the road for $100,000 on Fridays.
We got the trailer back there, tallers, the trees. We done hit about 3 or 4 light poles. That's why all the electricity's down. But we're rolling, boys.
Yeah.
He ain't got nobody to film him.
Just like you like it, how we do it. Just like you like it. The way you
What
like
a
it, that's the
burger.
way we do it. Yeah,
Look at that, son.
Alright.
We rolling. We might catch up with y'all when we get closer.
You get a car wreck, you call Gordon McLaren and he'd get you worked out. He worked me out after I hit that light pole and knocked all the power out yesterday.
Yeah, that's right.
In a jam, you call Sam though.
Yeah. But we rolling, boys.
Right here, 4 room. On the highway. 1938. What the feel?
So what you trying to do tonight, son? You trying to win or what?
We gotta hold off in the heat race.
Shut up back there,
Shut up. We gotta hold off in the heat race. Try to get about 3rd in the heat race or so. Start deep in the field and come up there and winner. Winner, chicken dinner. Winner on a stick. Gotta put her in victory lane. Then we're gonna let y'all know about it in the interview. We might not, we don't know. One time I passed by here, I seen a big old bug.
Huh?
I passed by here, holy cow, there's a cod. He'll get that person. We at the Shell's gas station. Tire fell off the rack. Other than that, we good to go though.
You got his Uncle Josh over there.
Pimp wizard pimp over there, cuz.
This dude don't know how to film, so he hired me to come do this for him.
I said that once.
But whoa,
Gas on it.
we're at this station.
Hey,
You ain't got gas?
Nah, he probably turned it around.
Yeah, we're gonna close this. We're gonna go inside and he's gonna get him something, I guess. Yeah. Yeah.
Just got a car loaded. Got out here Super B Speedway. Drew a 32. Should be on about the first, second row. Don't know if we're going on passing points yet or not, but it should be sitting pretty good for a heat race. Gonna try to win the heat race and hope we don't get DQ'd this time. Come on. And then I'm gonna say, baby, that's on the dryer.
No, you're gonna put this thing on.
This is a family change. She just karate chopped me.
Get some videos in.
Why you
Alright.
why you
Alright, we at Super B tonight, y'all. With old TPR racing right here. Let's get them interviewed real quick. So how we gonna do tonight, sir?
Plan on being down there in that victory lane. We ain't gonna make short circles like you.
So how do you think about the track tonight? How does it look so far?
I need to put some water on it.
Water? Well, they're
Needs to
probably
get wetter.
expecting that rain that's coming in tonight later on. So what's your take on
Tires out there. Oh, you don't want to hit them. You don't want to be like you.
Hey, dude, put some shit down. I can't hear.
back from hot laps and heat race. They did hot laps and heat race together, so went out there and did 3 laps, and then went straight into the heat race. He was supposed to scheduled to start 4th, but the second race car pulled off track after hot lap, so I started 2nd. The first start they called me for a jump, so it just rewinded up, and then the second start of the heat race, we took the lead and won it by about 3 car lengths over John Parker in the 9. We're going to start 3rd in the feature. Chris Sawyer starts pole, and John Parker starts outside pole. So 20 laps to get it done. Going to try to win it. All right. They're trying to hurry up, get it in before the rain. It's like about 9:35.
Let's show y'all.
Oh yeah. Got clouds of thunder rolling in.
That's not good, boys. That's not good. That's not good. Well, yeah, we didn't make it to no feature race. We're actually heading right now to the house. It's raining out here like cats and dogs. And yeah.
We had a fast car though, let me tell you. We was gonna win it until God had other plans, I guess. Rain started raining cats and dogs on us because it's turd footer out here. I mean, we about to be Waterloo in the 4-wheel drive car here because this thing's bad. Water in the road.
Okay. We can come back from Chatham. We're going across these big old hills. It's storming right now. Yeah. Tayton had a fast car. It's just we was gonna start 3rd in the feature, and we probably could have did a little bit, but I don't know. It didn't go to plan.
Without a doubt, we was going to first. We was going to get in that microphone and tell them to subscribe. That's easy hard.
Yeah. But that's how it went. Who do you want to thank, son?
Special thanks to my brother for first off. If it wouldn't be for him, I wouldn't even have came because I didn't have no one even come with me. But
He had me. Don't know.
I had Zach, but I wouldn't have got to came if he wouldn't have took off work for tomorrow. But Big T Motorsports, 2 Extreme Motorsports, Red Wine Power, Elephant Nose Trucking, Ben's Auto Restoration, Perkins Trucking, Martin Brothers, Malin Harris Productions, Fat Boots, Dole Motorsports, Tommy Dowden Logging, Mama, Nana and David, and Dole Photography's huz. We got the most fire video coming out right here.
I don't know about all that, but how do you want to close this thing out? How do you want to close this thing out, son?
Y'all give us a like and subscribe, and we hit y'all with a come on.
We tried some different things on filming. I ain't never did it before. He's did it.
We attempted.
I don't know if we filmed enough, but we're gonna get it figured out. We're gonna be back.
We'll be back.
Where are you going next weekend?
We off this weekend coming
We're
up.
off this week.
June 15th, we go to Boot Hill Speedway, and we'll try to get y'all a video. Dole ain't racing no go-karts. If not, I'll be trying to do it by myself. But Dole ain't racing, then I'm going to get him there. But we'll be back June 15th. We'll try to get y'all some shop content stuff. Till then, this is it. Till then. But I'm going to get y'all some videos. Might get y'all some iRacing stuff.
Some iRacing stuff. I would thank y'all watching for Tayton Perkins Racing on YouTube.
Y'all like and subscribe.
Yeah. And we're going to get back to where we going?
Ponderosis.
Yeah. Wherever that's at.
Southbound Hammerdown. We're going south now. We did come north going here, but southbound Hammerdown. Chugga chugga. Woohoo! Come on.
Yeah, that's how we do it. Until next time.